vlogs would have been really different. Hi guys, andito na kami! Hey guys, good morning. Tagal ako kagising. Matagal na ako natulog. And this is the very first like normal vlog after several months. Now I don't have anything to do. Still figuring it all. Anong purpose ko? Charing. Yeah. So I've been loving mag-eat ng Greek yogurt. Para siyang yaw-yaw and nilagyan ko lang siya ng any biscuit good. So ito, tapos I transfer it sa bowl, tapos I put biscuit. Tapos masarap siya masyado, para siyang yaw-yaw. Mamaya na lang pala to kasi nakakita ko ng siomai and corned beef. So may later na lang to.
Bilhin mo lang ako nakita ko na. Lain sa nakita. Kumain na sa signal lang.
Di pa pala yun, sure?
Huh?
Di pa pala yun, sure?
Hi mga unemployed at employed. We're off to Hummingbird Marble. See you there.
Hi guys, andito na kami sa Hummingbird.
Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should have let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold,
Sino nagbayad?
running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song.
Hi guys! So andito na kami sa Hummingbird and maganda talaga ang interior. And let's see kapag magdating ng food if masarap ang food. But so far, medyo nasa pricier side siya, no? Laki din ang space and very nice ang interior.
First class.
Hi guys! Kaganda na lighting.
Ayun.
Kaya mo, maganda lighting, no? Nice siya. Makahamis, awa. Nagulay pink. Naglipat kami dito, guys. Sa may malapit sa window. Thank you po. Thank you. Lagay niyo lang po dito. Here's our food. This is mine. Beans. Josh's buddies.
10 out of 10.
Complete order na po, ma'am, sir. Mabigat po. Kunin nyo na po, please.
Pero patatas din siya.
Niya po. Kaginsan eh.
7 out of 10.
Time again I'll go back to my reality. Foolish, I know. You always keep a fake into my mind, guiding me back ashore.
dito na pwede kang magtingin sa overlooking. Pretty! Uy, pwede dito mag-propose. Glad, dito mag-propose sa'yo. Si Chauncey.
Gusto ko yan.
Pretty. Ay, kaganda! Tapos doon may ano pa doon, activity area. Nice siya. Oh. Thank you. Fit check. So my top is from... Hello, ito may fit check ko dati. My top is from Uniqlo. My pants are from Uniqlo. My shoes are from Astrid. And my bag is from Tory Burch. And my sunnies is from Sunnies.
Tapos may baka bigla na mag...
May rainbow slide dito para sa dahilayan. Close na ata. Hi guys, nasa Jensen na kami. Bakit kayo nag-ilong?
Video na pala yan.
Tingnan mo mukha ko dyan.
We're on our way home.
Let's ride to Taiwan.
Nag-ana pa si Jagay na. Madayon pa ta, murag ilo man ang GC.
Hey guys! Punta na tayo sa Magic Touch. Right now, since I don't have anything else to do, mag-uwi na lang ako. Gusto ko na magkain, pero gusto ko din yung ano lang, yung drive-thru, pero wala ako sa mood mag Jollibee or McDo. Pero gusto ko na try yung sa Bini na sa Jollibee, may photo cards. Video yan. Hi guys! So, okay ba ang quality? It's been a long time since my last clip. Today is September 24. Wala din akong braces. At first, hate ko siya masyado. Pero yung may retainers na parang better na. Pero yung wala talaga akong retainers. Until now, pangitan ako kung wala akong retainers. So, I wear it. Life update din. July pa lang ata, nag-start na ako gym. Wala talaga akong ideal goal. I just want move my body as much as I can, as much as possible. Try not to be hard on myself. Medyo active ako sa TikTok. Minsan madami akong gina-post doon na about my identity crisis. Nung July, life has been really hard and right now I don't have clear plan pa. Thinking of looking for a job or ano ba. Mga part-time din ako minsan, yung sideline like yung sa TikTok if may magpa-promote. And namiss ko din talaga mag-dance din guys. Many times na tempted ako ulit magbalik, like ginahagad ako, bakit? And tempted ako pero mahiya na din ako kaya parang medyo behind na talaga ako and I gained weight. And the past few months na processing my emotions, my realizations, na-realize ko na during my 4 years of college, wala talaga akong labot talaga sa aking course. I did not take it seriously, to be honest. My classmates, nagbili sila ng mga books ni Valix that time, or books ni ganitong author, and ako that time, my friends know that na wala ako masyado gabili ng books. Ang nasa isip ko, hindi ko man pa rin yan gamitin. And kadami nilang ginamention na authors minsan na hindi ko kilala. Yung drive ko and eagerness sa aking course, wala talaga. Non-existent siya nung undergrad. I did not appreciate it, Jud. I thought maklutch ko sa 9 months yung buong 4 years of college lessons. Maklutch ko siya sa 9 months. And wala pala. I was complacent, dude. Pag-start ko lang review, na-appreciate ng accountancy na maganda pala siya na course. If only naman ko to siya while undergrad na yung drive ko andyan ng undergrad. Kasi wala akong labot guys. Ang nasa isip ko lang talaga that time is magsayaw. But still maintaining a good academic standing. Which I did. If only naging passion ko siya somehow or naging dream ko maging CPA, siguro things would have been really different. Parang 3rd year college pa lang, nag-start na ako undergrad review. Only I knew, or if only mas early yung Mas early ko na-appreciate yung accountancy. Dapat nag-undergrad review na lang talaga ako noon. Maybe went to my dream school if given the chance that time. But as we all know, everything happens for a reason. Grabe na yun siya kagasgas na quote. This has been a hard year for me and this is all part of my lore. No? Para interesting ang lore ko. Again, always ka-glamorous, ka-perfect, ka-happy, or always victorious ang life mo. Rock bottom paminsan. It's a struggle, but life goes on. Thank you kasi nasa 950 subscribers na ako and I'm so happy. Malapit na tayo mag 1K guys. And hopefully soonest. Sorry, I've been MIA. Life has been hard. I'm still trying to push through and navigate this adulting life. Hey guys, so it's night time na. If you're wondering what's on my skin, I'm using this Skintific na Mugwort Clay Stick. So they sent this to me siguro around March ata this year. Mag-skincare na lang guro ako. So right now, I will be showing you my skincare routine. First, I'm gonna be using this glycolic acid from The Ordinary. Apply it with cotton. Ito talaga mostly ang breakouts ko. Lalo na dito. Ayan. So, hormonal talaga siya. After, I use this The Ordinary na Alpha Arbutin. Lisudo na mag-storya. Oh, yeah. Lately, guys, gusto ko masyadong songs ni Chappell Roan. Narinig ko din yung ibang songs niya, yung Casual, Pink Pony Club, Red Wine Supernova. And kaganda ng boses niya. Kahirap kantahin kasi kataas. And after sticky siya. Mag-moisturizer ako. Ano naman ginagamit ko and ano meron. But for now, I'll be using this soothing gel from The Ordinary. Soothing gel from Fresh Skin Lab. Sometimes, ito din gina-use ko yung Saipo na Saipo Brightening Gel Cream. Last is for my lips. Itong gina-use ko talaga, itong Vaseline na lip care. Ito lang, unhygienic lang siya kasi i-use ko ang hands mo. So, kung nasa labas ako ng bahay, I don't bring this kasi parang hassle siya. Mayroon ako doon yung parang isa na variant, pero iba talaga ang formula nito. I have this one as well. Same sila na, but in lip balm na form. Mas maganda talaga ang formula nito. That's my skincare routine. See you guys tomorrow. I'll try to vlog my day tomorrow and hopefully it's interesting enough. Bye, good night.
Litra na.
Dali, kuya.
Uy, dito sa kanya, butang.
Inito, Hey guys, it's Daisel. Today is September 25 and mag-gym ako and yan lang. So magsama kayo sa akin pero di ako sure if maka-video taga ako kasi mahiya ako sa gym mag-video. But I'll try and sana maliit lang tao. May bago na naman ako nito. Kaya ibang kanyang break sa mukha. Oops. Oh, hindi ako sanay sa break.
But you always keep a figment of my mind, guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping my fingers, I was losing control.
Done na ako guys, but may problem ako. Naputol yung necklace ko. Tapos cool talaga yun. Oh my gosh. Ayun guys, naputol siya. Tagal if 3 to 4 months, no?
Pero mas kung mag-early lang, mag 1 month to 2 months.
Na-attach mo ko ano, tapos mag-weird if wala. So, ayun, plano ko sana ngayon is mag-gym tapos ipalinis ko yung necklace ko which is here. May free cleaning service man kung bibili mo din sa Ori China. So ito, memorable masyado to sa akin na necklace because this is my first big girl investment. kasi may work ako noong 21 ako. And napunta ko sa Oro, China, and I asked, mag-abot daw siya ng months. Tapos, attached na ako masyado nito. So, ayun, nasat lang ako. Kaya naputo din yung bracelet na gibigay sa akin ng graduation ko. Ha! Tapos yun, kanasad ako. Tapos naisip na ako na mag-Starbucks. So, I bought, na lang, yung ice pomegranate pearls hibiscus tea, something. And nagpa-add ako ng strawberry syrup. Excited ako sa Starbucks masyado. Tapos malapit pa talaga sa bahay. So, nakauwi na ako. I'm planning to put Yakult din. So, I'm gonna put Yakult dito and let's see if masarap. May popping boba. Ayan siya, oh. Tapos, pwede siya mag-pop. Hey guys! So, I'm back home. And I'm playing Dress to Impress using my sister's account. So, lingaw siya, guys.